Hello everyone. Today I am writing Arabic letters on the request of one of my subscribers, Mantisha. She wanted to learn how to write Arabic letters. Now I am going to show you where you should start each letter and where the letter should end. Amira, please come here and help me. Please focus on Alif. Just now I am just going to show you how your pencil should move, from where it should start and where it should end. Now for writing Alif, I should put my pencil here and bring it down in this direction. It should end here. This is the point where it ends. Then from here I'll start writing Bay. Bay is written like this. In Arabic, all the letters are written from right to left. Under Bay there is a Nuqta. Now Nuqta is the dot.
What are we doing today?
I'm writing Arabic.
So you're teaching everybody how to write Arabic?
Yes, I thought, because one of the students wanted to learn how to write. So
my mom is basically a teacher. So every person to her is a student always.
This is Te. And then there are dots. These dots are called Nuqtas. Nuqta.
I remember when we were very young, तो हमारे घर पे टीचर्स आते थे हमें पढ़ाने के लिए, अरबिक एंड अरबी उर्दू पढ़ाने आते थे. एंड उस टाइम पे बहुत उलझन आती थी क्योंकि स्कूल का भी काम मैनेज करना होता था, खेलना भी होता था, उर्दू अरबी भी पढ़नी होती थी. बट देन इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल लैंग्वेज इफ यू राइट इट. I mean, it looks aesthetically pleasing also. देखने में भी अच्छी लगती है. So that's Alif.
No,
that's Alif. Then Bay.
I'll just now tell you all, and then you can repeat all after me afterwards. Just now I'm just showing them how to, from where the pencil, they have to start writing and where the pencil should be. So here you start from this place and you bring it like this till here it ends over here. So I also remember a long time back when I was a child, my cousins Neelu, Rehan and my sister Farah, we used to study during the vacations and really enjoyed the times spent during the recitation of the Arabic. So the letters are moving like this. Re, then Z.
So that's Seen.
Seen.
So that the English word S-E-E-N, Seen. You can pronounce it like that.
And this is Sheen.
So the major difference between most of these letters is the placement of the dots or the nuqtas that you call them.
Swad. Starts from here. Swad also starts from here. You take it up, take it down, take it here, and you end here till here. Now this is to. And you bring it down. This is so, and here. And it's like this, and then ran.
So that's from the epiglottis, like my name is Khan ka reference, but then it is actually Ghain.
Ran. Fe. Fe starts here. From here you take it, and it comes till here. Fe, the direction is this. Then Qaf till here. Qaf. Lam. Now in between I have left Kaf out. This is pronounced as Qaf. I have left out Kaf out. It's pronounced as Kaf. This is Lam. Lam. Mim. Noon is like this. It goes here till here is Noon. From this direction, He moves from here and goes and ends here. He. Then Wow. And this is Ye.
So just mark a place and just write the Kaf, no? You left it.
Now please repeat after me so that the people who are learning these letters can understand that. Alif.
Alif.
Be.
Be.
Te.
Te.
Se.
Se.
Jeem.
Jeem.
He.
He.
Khe.
Khe.
Dal.
Dal.
Zal.
Zal.
Re.
Re.
Ze.
Ze.
Seen.
Seen.
Sheen.
Sheen.
Swad.
Swad.
Zwad.
Zwad.
To.
To.
Zo.
Zo.
And
Mama wait. Arisha.
बोलने दो ना.
अच्छा ठीक है बोल लो.
Ren.
Hi.
Ren. Fe.
Fe.
Qaf.
Qaf.
Lam.
Lam.
Mim.
Mim.
Noon.
Noon.
He.
He.
Wow.
Wow.
Ye.
Ye.